हाँ am I Arshit? Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Yes, good afternoon. And without delay, you all must have done outlines. That day I gave you homework of giving outlines in Lord Ganesha. Okay, so the very first step, we draw the drawing with pencil. Second step, we give outlines like black. We move black sketch pen on our drawing. Third step, we take eraser and erase all extra lines. So come on, erase all lines. Slowly, okay? Slowly and gently. Otherwise, what will happen? Your paper will be teared. Okay? Yes. Slowly erase all the lines. This ways. Okay? Erase all the lines. Okay? So the very first step, we draw drawing with pencil. Second step, we give outlines. Third step, we erase all extra lines with eraser. Now, fourth step, we start coloring. Okay? So, I will start with skin color. Okay? Those who don't have skin color, they can do orange. They can do orange also. All of you, take out your skin color and red color. Two colors you take out. Okay? And after this, first you will be taking red. Take red. And this tilak which we made now, just move red on these lines. Okay, move over this. And this small bindi also with red color. Fill red. And even the trishul. This trishul which we have made now, you can just move light red all around. Okay. And then skin color. If you feel that your colors are very blunt, like mine is, so you just sharpen it. And making your colors sharp, it doesn't mean that you will make them very small. Just 2 or 3 rounds are more than enough. Okay? Yes. 2 or 3 rounds in sharpeners. Make it sharp, little sharp if not. You all will not sharpen it, okay? If blunt, then only you will sharpen it. And after this, you will start with skin color. From where you will start? You will start from here. Come on, all of you start from here. All of you, you will start from here and go for sleeping lines. Small, small strokes, okay? No big strokes, very small strokes, and each stroke 4 times. And one more thing you're supposed to keep in mind, no pressure on your color. Many students, what they do, they put lots of pressure on their colors. No, small and very gently. Each stroke repeat 4 times. Sleeping lines, okay, everywhere. No big strokes. Come on, do with me. Start from top, from here. See now, here you can see very little space. So I will not start moving standing. No, I will go for small sleeping lines. If you feel that very little space, normally what students do? When they find very little space, they just change the direction. But we should never do this, okay? Sleeping lines. Sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines, okay? This ways. Will not go for big lines. And this ways, even the trunk, I will cover up the trunk also same ways. Small sleeping lines. Do with me. The only thing you are supposed to keep in mind, small strokes, one direction. Sleeping lines. Finish phase, sleeping lines. Yes, and ear. Ears also, you can start from top. Ear. Okay, ears also from here. Small sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Okay? Yes, keep doing. And yeah, Lord Ganesha's story. You know why Lord Ganesha's head is of elephant and body is of men? Do you know the story behind? Okay, I'm telling you. Okay? Keep doing this ways only. And let's start this year also. Okay, here from here. See, once when Lord Shiva went on Kailash for Samadhi, Tapasya, so Parvati was all alone at home and she was not having no companion. So she decided that she will make a child with grass and mud. So she made a small statue of child with grass and mud. And afterwards, with magic, she put life in it. So what happened? Vinayak. And the name she kept of that, then it turned into a real child. Yes, Vinayak. The name was Vinayak. Okay. And Vinayak has never seen. He was knowing only mom because he was not knowing who's his father. And so what happened? Vinayak used to obey his mothers very much, very, very much. So one day what happened? And even Lord Shiva was not knowing that Parvati has made. Okay, now see, after doing ears, do ears first, all of you. Then we will start body. First do ears. All of you do. Hmm. All of you? Fill skin color in ears. So Lord Shiva was also not knowing about कि Parvati has made a child and put life in it, and Vinayak is their son. So what happened one day? Parvati went inside to take bath and appointed Vinayak. Vinayak was very powerful by blessings of Parvati. Thick skin color and in body also. Start from here. And in this complete body, you will go for sleeping lines. Okay? You will not change the direction. Okay? Let's start from here. Start from here, sleeping lines. Now, if you will come here, here also you will go for sleeping lines. If here also sleeping lines. Complete body, you will be doing this sleeping lines. Okay? Chalo, let's do. So when Parvati went inside to take bath, she appointed Vinayak, that Vinayak, you stay here and don't let anyone come inside. I'm going to take bath. Okay? Vinayak said, okay, Ma, I will not allow anyone to enter. Then what happened? Lord Shiva came. Lord Shiva was not knowing even that this child is my son, because Parvati created this child with statue, and Lord Shiva was having no idea about. So he asked, who are you? Nee, Vinayak asked, who are you? So he said, Lord Shiva said, Ki, Are, I'm Shiv. Who Shiv? I don't know. I will not let you go. My mother has ordered me that no one should enter inside. I will not let you go inside. Shiva just asked, and very politely, with lots of love, he asked Vinayak, please let me go. I'm Shiva. But Vinayak was not knowing that Shiva is his father. Because when Shiva went for Samadhi, then that time Parvati created him. So he was, while stopping him, Vinayaka turned very rude and was ready to fight even. So this all behavior, this attitude of Vinayaka made Lord Shiva very angry. And with anger, Lord Shiva cut Vinayaka's head with Trishul. And by the time Parvati came out and she said, oh, what you have done? She cried bitterly and said, this is Vinayaka is our son. Yeah, when you were on Kailash Parvat, I created Vinayak, to give me company. He's our son. What you have done? I just want my son alive. I don't know how you will do this, but I want my son alive. Sleeping line. See, I'm not changing direction. Okay? And Shiva said, now I can't do anything. I cut the head. I was not knowing. And he was misbehaving. That's why I cut the head. But he said, no, I want my son alive. I don't know how you're going to do this. You please make my son alive. And she started crying like anything. Parvati. Balvinder, continue with her. Continue coloring also. Okay, story and coloring. Then okay. So Lord Shiva said, okay. He called out a servant and said, go. And the baby you find first, you cut head and get it. I will just adjust that head over body of Vinayak. Yeah, I'm waiting. I will not go forward. You all do. When you will give confirmation, then only I will go forward. Okay. Continue body. Sleeping line everywhere. Now see what students do normally. They start moving. They change direction. No. Here also you will go for small sleeping lines. So that servant went in search of whom he is going to find first. Then he found a baby elephant, cute baby elephant who was having the sign of Trishul. Okay. and he just cut his head and get it. Lord Shiva just put it, and with magic, Vinayak was alive, but this time he was having head of Ganesha. Now Parvati said, now no one, all will make fun of Lord Ganesha. And see what has done with the, so Shivji gave blessings that when everybody will do any work, they will worship Lord Ganesha right in the beginning. Then only their work will get fulfilled. So from that day onwards, whenever we are starting any work, we just say name of Lord Ganesha. So we are starting the coloring now. Let's hold hands and say Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Say yes. And see, when we chant this mantra now, we get blessings of Lord Ganesha. Okay? Every good work, whether it is marriage, whether you are taking a house, whether you're establishing a shop, you always, and Lord Ganesha is called God of knowledge and God of wealth. When we worship Lord Ganesha, we get knowledge and wealth, both. Okay? Show your work. I want to see your work. Show your files. Show. Very good. Raghav, show. Raghav Anija. Very good. One direction. Shaba. It means you're listening story and doing work also. Yes, I'm coming to you, Ashi also. You all have done well. Yeah. Shabash. Very good. Lavina, I've seen your work. Very beautifully done. Okay. Let's come back. Now the skin color I'm going to put in this hand. And here also. Dipra, I've seen your work. Beautifully done. Okay. Fingers. Standing line. And you know what was the name of, what is the name of elder brother of Lord Ganesha? Anyone? Anyone? Tell me. And after a few days, I think on Monday. Yes, Kartikeya. Correct. One day, Kartikeya and Lord Ganesha, they were fighting that I'm more powerful, I'm more powerful, I'm more powerful. When they were fighting, Lord Shiva came there and Parvati also, filled in legs also, feet, okay, skin color. So Lord Shiva, Parvati came there and asked, kids, why are you fighting? So Kartikeya said, I'm telling Ganesha that I'm more powerful. Ganesha said, no, I'm more powerful. So Shivji decided that I'm giving you one assignment, one work, one task. Let us see who is doing it first. The one who will finish the task first will be declared as the most powerful one. They both accepted the challenge. Shivji said, are you ready to accept the challenge? So Kartikeya and Ganesha said, yeah, we are ready to accept the challenge. Yes, Zipra, you know the story. Then they, okay, first tell how many of you have done colors with smile. Yes, Vihan. I've seen yours also. Show your work. File also, show your file. Very good. And while showing your file, you should have a lovely smile. When you are still busy doing, I will wait for them. Yes, Manna, I've seen. I can see many students are still doing. I will wait for them. Okay, we will give 2 more minutes to them. And then very good. Very good. Shriram, very well done. Good. Okay. Chalo, now we will take dark pink color. Take dark pink color from your palette. If you want to do red, you can take red also. I will take pink color. Okay, now let's continue the story also. Then they both were ready to complete the task. This is pink. Yeah, dark pink. If you want to go for this, you can do this color also. Yes. Then what he did, Lord Ganesha Kartikeya, he just sat on peacock. Okay. He ride peacock. He sat on peacock and started taking round of earth. Lord Ganesha, Shiva said, the one who will take round of earth 7 times will be declared as the powerful one. So Kartikeya went on round very quickly without thinking. But Lord Ganesha, what he did? He made his parents sit and took 7 rounds of his parents and said, "Kya I have done?" So Shivji said, "Kya re? You have taken 7 rounds of ours, Parvati and me. And on the other hand, Kartikeya has gone to take round of earth." So what do you know what Ganesha replied? That my parents are my earth. They are everything for me. And if I worship them, if I'm taking round of them, they are just like a globe for me. So for me, my parents are everything. So if I'm taking round of yours, it means I've completed round of earth. Yes, this reply make pleased Lord Shiva and Parvati. And they were very happy on this brilliant answer. And students, you know, this is very true. Those who don't respect their parents, God never loves them. With this story, what message actually Lord Ganesha want to give? Tell me. With this story and with this act, Lord Ganesha want to tell that parents are everything. Everything. If you are worshipping your parents, if you are respecting your parents, it means you are respecting God. And you know what? For this deed, Lord Ganesha was declared as most powerful God on the earth. So, the students who respect their elders, who respect their parents, they never shout at their moms, listen to what their moms are saying, cooperate them, help them, understand them. God always shower their blessings on this. This kind of stories give us this message. And after taking 7 rounds, yes, Tanak, do you want to ask something? Tanak? Sleeping lines. I started from sleeping lines and completed. Okay? We will not change the direction. Same this side. I will start from here. Oh, Lord Ganesha, give us that if you will obey your parents, if you will worship your parents, God's blessings. And you know now, Lord Ganesha is God of wealth and wisdom, knowledge. So these are some beautiful stories. And when after taking 7 rounds, when Kartikeya returned back and said, I have taken round, Ganesha was already sitting there. And he said, Ganesha, have you taken round of earth? He has taken, yes, I took round many days back. How? I made my parents sit in center and took 7 rounds of them. They're everything for me. Okay, this way. No, we will be coloring only today, Arush. Okay, we will do coloring only. Okay. Many students are having exams and so many assignments, but still they are finding out some time to learn something, doing so many beautiful things. This is really praiseworthy. And because of this only, I always say that my junior students, I'm proud of you. You are really wonderful. Wonderful students you are. Every time when I tell you story, you listen the story carefully and try to understand. And you just promise me every time that now onwards we will never disrespect our parents and never disrespect our elders. So I'm really very happy that I am blessed with such lovely students. Acha, tell me today, how many of you are promising Lord Ganesha that you will never disrespect your parents and listen whatever they are instructing? Hmm? How many of you? You all know? Good students. Very good. From all stories, we should learn something good. Okay? Chalo, finish this. Yes, Aradhya? Okay, done? No, we will not do painting today. We will be coloring only, okay? No painting work today. Finish this. See, this line of pencil is left in mine. I will erase. And here also I can see few lines of pencil. Yes. Have you done? Show thumbs up with smile. No, not this kind of smile. Look at my photo. Look at my smile. Big smile. Brush किया है ना सुबह? Yes. Yes. Acha, tell me, do you want to listen one more story? How many? Thumbs up दिखाओ. अगर जरूर सुनिए तो दो. Two thumbs up. Okay. There are many stories. I will tell you more. Okay. But first, let's complete this. Here, what you can do, you can just fill different colors. Okay. So, we will be doing different colors. Finish it. Yeah. I have taken purple color, light green color, yellow color, as I want to show it, golden, orange color, and 4 colors I have taken. These 4 colors. And I will be doing different colors. If you want to show it golden, then you can go for one single color also, this one. If you want to make it golden. But I just want to make this colorful. Okay? So let's get started. First, I will be doing purple color. Okay? You can do any other color also. I just want to make this crown colorful. Sleeping lines. Okay, each stroke 4 times. And you know, Lord Ganesha was fond of eating laddus. Every time he kept eating. And because of you, this only you can see the size of Lord Ganesha. I know. And one day, you know what happened? Lord Ganesha was having severe stomachache because he had lots of laddu and something very strange he ate. And because of that, he was having fire in tummy. Whatever he found, used to see interesting, he used to eat. So one day, something was very strange and it was like a fire. And he just ate. It is a laddu, I will eat it. And immediately ate. So what happened? In tummy of Lord Ganesha, there was lot of fire. And he was not able to control. And all were trying that what should we do? Take green. Now what to do to give treatment to Lord Ganesha? Lord Ganesha was just, and Maya Parvati was not here. She went out of station. And that time, all God, they started giving treatment. Like we take patient to doctors, now different treatment was given to Lord Ganesha. but nothing was giving relief. And that fire in tummy was making him so pain. It was so painful, causing lots of stomachache. Then Parvati, when she came home, she said, "Oh, Lord Ganesha is suffering from stomachache. He must have eaten something. He must have eaten something very dangerous. Do something, get some doob. Doob, you know? Doob is a kind of grass. Lord Ganesha loved that. It is a very small, tiny grass and it has so many medicine properties. So, and Parvati said, no treatment will work except bring doob grass and give it to Ganesha and Ganesha will be fine. So same all just rush to get doob, and when Ganesha eat that doob, he was cured. From that day onwards to make, orange is left. You can do orange also. I did black, blue, but you can just fill any color. So from that day onwards, we just offered doob, grass, to make Ganesha happy. So this ways our moms know about us. What is good for us, what is bad for us, what is going to keep us healthy. Hai na? In lunch time, she offer us, eat complete food. Afternoon time, have a fruit. Morning time, finish your glass of milk. Hai na? Mama force us na? Because mama know better. So we should obey. We should never say, I will not take this, I will not take this. No. Because she is the best well-wisher and she knows that what is going to make us healthy. Like Parvati. Okay, chalo, done? Show thumbs up if done. Show your files. Show your files. Wow, good. This color should be dark, huh? Make it very dark. Shabash. Now, let's make this complete garland with pink color. Or we can take some other color also. Shall we go for red? Huh? Chalo, red le lete hain. Red. I'm taking red. And what I will be doing? I will just make round. I will not fill inside, or you can just fill inside also. Red. If you want to show different colors, you can show different beads also. One yellow, one black, pink, one red. This ways you can make it colorful also. Round. You will move your color round, okay? There are so many stories, hundred of stories. Yeah, if you want, Aradhya, if you want to make it colorful, you can fill different colors. Yes, Raghav, continue. Yes, continue, beta. Continue doing. Yeah, I will tell more stories. There are hundred of stories and all stories are so good. Lord Ganesha was very naughty when he was young. But at the same time, he was very obedient, very caring. And not only for parents, for everyone. And when he was very young, he had a fight with Tarkasur. Tarkasur was a very, very cruel devil. And he wanted to destroy the whole earth. And all those who were living on earth, they went to Lord Ganesha. That Ganesha, please, you do something. Otherwise, we all will be killed. Ganesha was very young, of your age. He decided, I will fight. And he took blessings of parents, fight, and defeated Tarkasur. These are many stories. There are many wonderful stories. Chalo, fill red, and if you want to do colorful, you can go for colorful also. Yes, eyes are left. And for eyes, I'm going to take black. First, you do this much. I will go little slow because there are many young kids and they want little more time. Wow. Good, Raghav. More stories? फ्री तो हो गई. चलो थोड़ी देर बाद, आफ्टर अ ब्रेक, ओके? थोड़ी देर बाद मैं सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग वाली स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी. हाँ ठीक है. ओके चलो. नाउ ब्लैक. The promise that the stories are meaningful if you are learning something. है ना? We are supposed to learn something. The intention behind telling the stories every time is because these stories are full with moral values. Black and brown. And one more color, that is golden. 3 colors for making eyes. Okay? Taken? Now I will be taking black. Take black first. Black, brown, and this is golden color. If you don't have golden, you can take yellow ochre. If you don't have golden and yellow ochre, you can take yellow also. Okay? First you take black. And this inner circle. Inner circle, fill black. Inside circle, okay? Like this. Chalo, fill black. Yes. I will zoom. Eyes pe thoda. Yes, yes. Okay. I will give a close-up view. Eyes. Okay. The inner circle, black. Now the outer circle. Do black first. Then outer circle, first I will be doing golden in corner. This outer circle, only in corner. Not in complete eye, only in corner. Same here in corner. And after I will take brown and I will move in outer circle. Complete outer circle. Over that golden color also. I will be telling story very soon. First we'll complete the minute detailing. And after this, I'm going to tell the most interesting story of Lord Ganesha. And Laddu, the favorite of Lord Ganesha. है ना? इतने ज्यादा पसंद थे, हर वक्त वो लड्डू खाते रहते थे. हर वक्त. Deep yellow. And he was least bothered about, it will cause obesity or what. Every time must than eating laddu. Okay, standing lines. I have taken deep yellow. Okay, laddu with, this is orangish yellow. And we will be completing yellow for making jewelry. This jewelry, this kada we have now, fill yellow. I want to make it golden. And this also golden. Yes. And see our Lord Ganesha is looking so great. And even golden here in center. Looking so nice, na? Now we will be doing silver color. Mouse. Silver. Let's do silver. And if you don't want to do silver, you can do this gray. We have 2 colors, so you can do gray also. Okay? You have done? Lord Ganesha, show thumbs up. Show your files. I just want to see. You can show floral necklace also. Floral garland. Wow. Many students are still doing. We will wait. And I want a smile on your faces when you are showing your Lord Ganesha. Mannat, you have shown flowers, na? Flower garland, and it's looking good. Very good. Arey wow, it's so beautiful. Lovely coloring. And few days, Ganesh Chaturthi is coming and your Lord Ganesha will be ready. So nice, na? Okay. I have taken grey color. Sunday, yeah. Sunday it is going to come. And see, your Lord Ganesha is ready today. You can worship your silver. If you don't have, you can take grey. And those who don't have grey, they can use yellow ochre also. Okay, you can use this color also. I have taken grey and start from here. All of us start from here. Sleeping lines. Small sleeping lines. Okay. This way you will be doing. You will start from here. Okay, small. You will start from here and you will go for sleeping lines. And you can move around this tail. And around ears. Fill in ears also. And the circle on nose will be black. See the cute mouse is ready. Okay. Bell. Now bell we will be making with golden. We can make it golden or yeah, beta. See now there are so many small things now. So small things we will finish. And when we will come on big part, then I will start my story. Because here I will keep you instructing. Otherwise the things will spoil. Okay, so very soon I will start with my story. But first we'll complete all minute detailing first. Yellow and bell golden. Make bell golden. Okay, yellow. And don't keep yellow, just make a round. Around Dia. Yeah, I've seen everyone's picture. I will, in a short while, I will come to everyone. Small, 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 small. Chalo, now I'm telling you a story. Once upon a time, there was a child and his name was Mogu. Okay, Mogu. Actually, his name was Mowgli, but his friend used to call him Mogu. So what happened? He was very duffer. In school, he used to get 0 marks out of 10. He disliked studies very much. He used to get scolding every day from teachers. Every day. He never used to. Duffer means buddhu. बुद्धू होते हैं ना जो बच्चे वो था duffer and very lazy. And teachers used to scold Mowgli. His name was Mowgli. Orange. Take orange and his inner flame. Orange in this. And then red. So everyone used to scold. He used to get very less marks in exams and all. And one day what happened? When exams result came out, na, he got 0 in all the subjects. In maths, 0 out of 100. In Hindi, 0 out of 100. In every subject, He didn't study even a single word. Yeah, this is the story only. I'm telling you the story of Lord Ganesha only. Okay? Complete this. Now I will fill brown color in there. Brown. So when he got 0 in every subject, all students started laughing at him and teasing. He felt very bad, and that moment he decided that no, I will change myself and I want to do very well. But who will guide me? Who will be my friend? He went home. He went home and started crying. Mama came and asked him, Mowgli, why are you crying? Mowgli said, Mama, now I want to study hard. I want a very good friend. Mama said, then go to Lord Ganesha and request कि Ganesha, please give me wisdom and be my friend. So Mowgli did the same. They were having a small image of Lord Ganesha. Finished there? They were having a small image of Lord Ganesha in their puja ghar. Mowgli went there, closed eyes and said, Lord Ganesha, will you be my friend? I want to study hard. I want to become good student. I don't want to be lazy now. I want to get good marks. Will you help me? Then suddenly a sound came out. Yes, my dear friend Mowgli, I'm your friend. Mowgli suddenly surprised. Whose voice is this? He said, Are, you prayed me just now. I'm your friend Ganesha. He said there was a boy standing with same appearance was same. He was having a trunk, elephant head, and he said, I am your friend Ganesha. I will help you in planning how to do studies and what to do, what not to do. Mowgli was very happy. And that day only he decided that he will change himself and he will study hard and stood first in class. Okay, now you see this surface we have now, we will make it wooden. I will be doing yellow ochre. Come on. Sleeping lines. Sleeping lines. So Lord Ganesha, you will not change direction, okay? Yellow ochre. So Lord Ganesha started guiding. Ki Mowgli, you are supposed to stop being on mobiles and laptop. Okay? You will not spend extra time except your online classes. As soon as your online classes are over, you will not spend your time on mobiles. Stop playing games on mobile. Now, this time you will use for doing something creative. Mowgli said, Oh Lord Ganesha, that will be so boring. I love to play games. I love to play PUBG. The PUBG? PUBG is a very bad game. Are you playing PUBG? He said, Yeah, I like this game very much. But he said, No, you will now not waste your time. Playing games on mobile is wastage of time. Don't play that. So now I will tell what you are supposed to do. What we will do then? Ganesha said, now onwards we will be doing cycling in open whenever you are free. So evening time at the place of spending time on mobile, Mowgli started playing outdoors, which started making him healthy and attentive. And then Ganesha instructed, now onwards you're going to eat only and only healthy food. You will not eat burgers. You will not eat pizza. You will not eat noodles. These are very unhealthy things. You will eat chapati. You will eat fresh food made by mom. He said, okay, I promised you I will obey you. Then he decided every evening you will sit for studies. Early morning you wake up and you will study. You will first put cover. Your books, look at your books. All are tiered. Put covers. Make your bag neat. Make your books neat. Do your homework daily. Learn your answers daily. And Mowgli started following Lord Ganesha's every instructions. Laddu. Take dark yellow color and laddus. Come on, all laddus. Mannat, start doing. Okay, story and work together. है ना? So Mowgli promised Lord Ganesha and he was determined that this time he will show everyone, every friend, those who were teasing, that you are a duffer, you are a duffer. Mowgli was decided that I will stood first in class. And Lord Ganesha started helping. He started listening to Lord Ganesha's every instructions. Mowgli started getting up early in the morning for studies. He started completing all the homework on time. He started learning all the answers regularly. He started keeping all the things at proper place. Slowly and slowly, Mowgli became intelligent. And in final exam, he got 100 out of 100 in all subjects. And he won first. He was first in class. All friends who was teasing earlier, now, they started clapping and said, Mowgli, you are so intelligent. Mowgli said, because of Lord Ganesha. Because Lord Ganesha is my friend, I am so intelligent. Lord Ganesha said, no, Mowgli, this is wrong. You are intelligent because you determined. You promised me that you will try to change yourself. So God help only those who are determined that they will do work hard. If you will keep praying God, God, please give me first rank, first rank. Will you come first? Tell me, will you come first? Yes or no? No. But if you will say, oh God, I'm promising you, I will study hard. But you give me strength that I shall study hard. So will you come first? Yes, then you will come first. So God will help you only if you will help yourself. Okay. Now this plate I'm going to make silver. Yes, very good, Lakshita. You always come first. Those who are disciplined, those who study regularly, they always get good marks. Silver plate. And now I'm going to make flowers with different colors. Okay? How was the story? If you like, you show thumbs up. And if you like very much, show 2 thumbs up. Yes. So this story, what did this story says? That if you want to do something in life, be determined. I will do it. And keep saying, I can do it. What you're supposed to say? Come on, tell with me. I can do it. Okay, and then pray God. God, give me strength that I can do it. Then God will give you strength and you will definitely get good result. Okay, take different colors and make flowers with different colors. Some with orange. Some with red. Now I take an orange now, so I will make 2, 3 flowers orange. Yellow. Make different colors in flowers. So these are different stories of Lord Ganesha. And you know what? One more thing I want to tell you. Lord Ganesha loved small children very much. And he listened to the prayers of small kids immediately. Immediately. Why you know? Why he listened to prayers of small kids immediately? Do you know the reason? Huh? Do you know? Because kids are pure from heart. The purity of heart of kids. God liked this very much. Okay? Yes. Green. Different few flowers with green color also. Okay. And let's make some flower. Which color is left? Shall I do blue? Chalo, blue is left. Let's make some flowers blue. Lord Ganesha loved red colored flower. Hibiscus flower is favorite. Durva grass. I told you the story about Mother Parvati did treatment of stomachache with that Durva grass because this Durva grass is having so much of medicine properties. And one more message Lord Ganesha gave us, that always respect your elders. Always respect your parents. God will give you blessings only when you will listen to the instructions of your elders, your parents. Okay, all flowers. Finish all flowers. Sleeping lines. Finish this. Okay, okay. Okay. I should complete view. Complete view today. Okay. Yes, complete. Complete there. Complete view, Aishu. Now I will be doing green. Now this bottom surface. This I will make one line here, one line here. Sleeping lines. Okay, complete bottom stripe. I will be doing green. Okay, now only wash is left. Light, light color. Okay, yes. Sleeping line, you will not change direction as there is little space, so you will start going moving. No. If little space, you will go for small sleeping lines. You will not change your direction. This thing you are supposed to keep in mind. Light green. I will complete. Sleeping lines. And this lower frill I will make only outlines. Okay, let's make it blue. I will be doing only outlines, and if you want to fill colors, you can fill colors also. Slowly and slowly you will go for outlines. If you want to fill colors, you can do also, but I'm going to do it. This is okay. Yes, keep doing. I will be doing with this color. And if you want to make lines with different colors, you want to make the frill colorful, you can make it colorful also. Okay. You will be completing it. Here also. And yellow. Okay. You can fill any other color also. I want to do yellow background. Small sleeping lines. Okay, you will not go for big lines. And light yellow color. Huh. I will check the files after this. And this yellow wash, slowly and simply, because there should be no white surface visible. Okay, see, I'm not changing direction. I'm going in one direction. Background, you can do light. Small sleeping lines. And no pressure, okay? You will not move it with pressure. Make sure. And with this, today you listen too many stories, Anna? 4 to 5 stories. And the last one was very good, na? That Mowgli one. And we learn what we learned from that story, that once we are determined, God help us. If we will keep relying on God only, God, you do this for me, you do this. You pray day and night, nothing is going to happen. But God help those who start taking action, those who are determined, and ask God to give them courage. You know? Suppose you want to get first rank in exam, and if you keep praying, God, please, I should come first in class, please. No. At the place of this, go and ask, God, give me wisdom. Guide me how to study hard. I want to study hard. I want to give up the habit of spending time on mobiles. Very good. Now, please show your files, all of you. All of you show. Shabash, you all have done it so well. Many drawings, wash is left. Wash is left, I can understand. It's beautiful work, beautiful work. And I'm really proud of you. Very well done. You all have done it truly wonderful. And with this, time is up. And I will be winding up my class. On Sunday, you have Ganesh Chaturthi. Your Ganesha, your friend Ganesha is ready. Okay, you can keep this Ganesha always with you. You can write your prayers here. Ganesha, give me wisdom, give me courage so that I can be strong enough for doing something good for me and my parents, my globe, my family, my society. And this kind of prayers. So write your prayers here, and your Ganesha, your friend Ganesha is ready. So with this, I will be taking your leave. Bye, students. Bye, my dear students. May God bless you.